on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're just cruising on down to Blakline Speed Shop because we're doing something to the Road Glide. Earlier, I think it was last year, I posted a short showing the clicking noise that was coming from the bike, and it was, I mean, comparable to a lifter tick. And so I was getting tired of it. So about 10,000 miles in, I had the lifters replaced under warranty for the Road Glide because of the tick. Well, guess what? Kept ticking. So I brought it to the shop. Said let's do a cam because that makes things better. And we put lifters in again with the new cam. Tick, tick, tick. And we did it a couple more times. So definitely wasn't lifters that was making the tick. So I just thought I'd just keep on riding it, and finally I had enough, and I was like, let's take this bad boy apart and see what's going on in the motor. It's got to be something else, right? I want a reliable bike. I like to ride far. It's a 23 with 40,000 miles on it. So here's the bike now, and as you're gonna see, we're missing a motor. So here at Blakline, they took my motor out, took it completely apart to see what the heck was wrong with it, and they did find a few things. So I'm going to show you guys what we found, and then I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do about it. Now, what I do about this situation shouldn't influence you to do the same in your bike, okay? My circumstances are completely different, and the way I'm going about this is going to be different, mostly because I'm moving out of state, so I won't have these guys right here in my backyard, and I won't yet have a shop that I trust. So stick around and see what we do.
Blakline Speed Shop tore down my motor. They found that the sound I was hearing was not the lifters, and in fact it was piston slap. This is why when the bike warmed up, the pistons would expand and the sound would go away. Also, I always knew I had excessive blow-by because my air filter would get pretty saturated after trips and I would need to add a little bit of oil. This also showed in all the extra carbon buildup that was in the heads. Last thing they found was some small cavities in the lifter bores. I could have the cylinders bored and replace the pistons to correct the clearance, purchase new cases if I was worried about the lifter bores, and clean up my heads. However, I was already this deep, and I would rather send the crank out to A1 Scycles, get it balanced, plugged, welded, and get rid of the balancer. This is where I had to make a decision. I'm moving out of state, and if I had any issues with the full build, I wouldn't be able to take it to Blakline Speed Shop. Where I'm moving to, I wouldn't have a shop that I yet know and trust. I knew that I could make more power if I had built it, do a big bore kit, some good flowing heads, and all the other goodies. But instead, I chose to do this.
Alright, the day has come. I'm so stoked right now. Blakline Speed Shop just hit me up, and yeah, something special just arrived for the Road Glide. I'm beyond stoked. So I'm gonna pull up to the shop here in just a second, and then I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it is that we are doing to this bike. Oh, damn, I'm so stoked right now. Dude, these guys literally fucking FaceTimed me so I could see it. I was like, dude, I gotta go there right now. I'm leaving home. I work at 12, so I get like an hour to kick back, and we're gonna unbox all this stuff. We're gonna show it to you, every reaction, every minute of the way. So I'm stoked. If I'm around when they're putting it in, I'll try to film that too. But man, this is so cool. Woo, here we are, Blakline Speed Shop. I'm so stoked right now. Alright, so as we did talk about before, let me turn my music off. Bugging. Alright, we talked about it kind of before. What I'm doing is not what you should do. I'm just doing this because this is me, and I'm tired of dealing with a Harley bullshit motor, and I'm tired of my bike sounding like crap. Gotta have your hat. Friends in low places. Alright, let's go pop in here, you guys. Let's go see what's up. Let's go see what we see. I'm so stoked right now. Yo, what up?
What up, dude?
What we got? Yo. Yo. What the hell? Dog. It's all here, huh? We got this. We got clutch, injectors, more clutch. All right. Let me take this down real quick. All right, the day's finally come. Our motor parts are in, and I'm gonna show you guys first what we got. Check this out. The S&S 136 race with the 550 cam. I'm so excited to throw this thing on the bike, and in future videos, I'm gonna show you guys maybe a time lapse of them installing it, but for sure, we're gonna be riding with this thing and we're really gonna put it to the test, because I like to put down some long distance miles, and we'll see if this is the motor that can do that reliably. Thanks guys for watching.